Sonia ma'am. And I got the opportunity to meet the lovely couple about 2 years back, I guess, right? And so I'm a pranic healing instructor, I'm a healer, and we have a healing center in Ghatkopar. That is how we came in contact. I'm giving this introduction because we all are meeting for the first time. And one of the most important feeling that I had when I met them from the first time that we met was the amount of faith that they have. So it is said that faith can move mountains, right? And that is really true. In the spiritual aspect, especially it is said that, everything else, the virtues, the karma and all of that that we follow in our lives are very important. However, the great teachers also say, the great gurus say, that it is because there's lack of faith that humanity has in the Almighty. That is why all the other things are required to build up eventually the faith to connect to God. And everything else then after that falls in place. And I saw that in both of you right from the beginning. So I think that is one of the biggest treasure that you hold within you, to have that faith. And that is why, when you introduced me, the change that you saw in your lives was because you implemented that. Whatever they learned through whatever I had to offer them, from the teachings of Master Choa, you implemented it so immediately. From day one, they were so disciplined. And to have an open mind after a particular age is not very easy. So that was again very commendable that you, and there's also one thing, when there's a lot of science, a lot of education that we have, sometimes faith is even more challenging. Because not everything can be explained through science, right? And yet that perfect combination of being educated, well-rounded, so well understood, in science and all of that, and yet have that combination of faith lethal. I think that's why all the changes, the love that you have for your children that I saw, because every time they are learning something, how do we do it for our children? How do we implement it for our children? How can we help their lives? And they implemented all that energy, science that they learned, and then they started seeing those changes in their families. So I think amazing family. Children, right? Kaushik, I'm meeting you for the first time, and Ishita, I'm not sure where she is. Yeah. So I think you are very blessed because your parents are all the time just, working for your betterment and your sisters. So great, amazing family. Yeah, hi Ishita. So I've seen that love that, your parents have, and everything they've implemented. By the way, they are good healers also. So any of you require any help, I think you should contact them. So yes, thank you for having me here and for all the respect that you have given me. Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful life ahead. And I'll see you in your 80th birthday. Thank you everyone.